Hey everyone, Benji here. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to freehand flames on your miniatures using a wet glazing technique to blend from deep reds to bright yellows and finish with a white ink for that perfect hot center. Let's jump into it. Alright, these are the materials you will need. Here's all your paints and 2 chosen sable hair brushes. Alright, first we'll start with the Khorne Red as our base color. I'm applying this to areas where the flames will be the darkest, usually towards the outer edges or at the base of the flames. Make sure your brush has a fine tip pointed for those clean lines. Alright, next we're moving on to Mephiston Red. With this colour, we'll start blending it into Khorne Red using a wet glazing technique. The idea is to pull the Mephiston Red into the Khorne Red while it's still wet, creating a smooth transition. Focus this colour slightly inward, working towards the top of the flame. Alright, now it's time to add some heat. Take that Wild Rider Red, apply it toward the middle section of the flame, carefully glazing it into the Mephiston Red. You want this part to be a bit brighter, so keep building the layers gradually. Remember, less is more here, so thin layers help to achieve that smooth blend, guys. Alright, so next we're moving to the brighter part of the flame with Yriel Yellow. This will really start to give that fiery glowing effect. Wet glaze the Yriel Yellow into the Wild Rider Red, making sure the transitions remain smooth. Don't worry if it takes a few passes to get it right, just keep it nice and thin. Alright, now for the hottest part of the flame, Dorn Yellow. Apply this towards the inner core of the flame where the heat is most intense. Again, using a wet glazing technique to blend it into the Yriel Yellow. Alright, to finish off, we're using the white ink for the hottest points of the flame. Carefully dotted in the very center of the flame where it's at its brightest. And that's it. All done, guys. There you have it. Perfectly blended freehand flame that doesn't look like a hot rod. Remember, practice makes perfect, especially with wet glazing. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know. Don't forget to share your own flame effects. Tag me in your post. Cheers, guys.